Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new. And if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Okay, today we are going to be doing this cute tape measure. It's real. I know. How cute is that? Okay, so this is what we're going to be making today. Shout out to my sis Jamie. She actually came up, was like, what can we make for Father's Day for someone in her family? And we came up with this, and I said, that's so cute. I'm gonna make my daddy one too. So here we are. All right, excuse my nails, but this is absolutely adorable. I'm going to let you know where I got everything, and let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go. Okay, I purchased this blank from Etsy. The shop is Sugar Pie Studio 2, the Sublimation Blank Tape Measure with box. But I did go on there and I couldn't find it. So hopefully they'll get more in stock because when I went, it wasn't there. So I apologize. But this is where I got it from. Okay, y'all, it's been so much to make this quick video. I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how I made this image. Let me go ahead and hide the words. I'm going to hide those words, and then I'm going to recreate this image. I did it before, but the recording didn't work. Then the second recording wasn't working. Anywho, so we're going to go ahead and pull this circle shape. We put this out. I'm going to resize it to 1.7 because I did make the image. I did measure the image as 1.25, but I made it 1.7 so we could add a little wiggle room. I'm going to add the text, "We love you beyond," and this is going to be in all caps. And then I'm going to add the word measure separately. So I center that "We love you beyond," and then I'm taking that line space there, and I'm going to show you how you could use the arrows, but that takes too long, so we can just guess and see. So I'll put 5 there and see what it is. Then I'm actually going to be using a -10, and that's what worked well for me. I'm going to make the words white so you can see it on the image because the tape measure is black. The circle is going to be black. The words are going to be white and yellow, and then I'm going to add an image. You want to make sure that when you put the words on there that you're giving enough wiggle room, because remember the actual image plate, the little circle plate thing that we're putting the words on, the substrate, is 1.25. So you want to make sure when you put the words on there, there's enough space in between there. As you saw, I made the word measure yellow, and then I'm readjusting the size there. Now I'm going to upload the image. This is the photo of my father, me and my daughter, me and my dad making the same face. So I'm going to go ahead and go make it a little smaller. And then I'm going to go to the shapes, get a circle. I'm going to make it some type of ovalish shape because I want to just get our faces. I don't need all the extra because we don't have that much space on the image anyway. So I'm going to tilt it a little bit to make sure I get as much as my daughter and my father's head in the actual image. And then we're going to select all once we get it correctly. And I'm just playing around with it. And we're going to select all of that specific image. As soon as I get it perfect, there we go. And then I'm going to slice it. So if you're not familiar with slicing, if you use an image to go over another image, you can make the first image the second image, if that makes sense. Well, you saw what I just did. So that's what slicing is. So now we're going to play around with it on this image here. I could have made it bigger, but I wanted to see how it really would look on the image. You could play with it bigger and then size it down to the 1.7. It's really up to you. A lot of times people ask me, well, why'd you do it this way? Why'd you do it that way? Honestly, it's just more than one way to skin a cat, and it's all just personal preference. So there I selected all, and then I aligned it to go center horizontally so that it can all be centered in the middle of the circle image. I selected all again, and then I went ahead and flattened it. So now it's all one image, it's all one piece. Now what I'm going to do is I made a couple duplicates, and I'll show you why I did that. One, if it messes up. Two, I'm going to use one of them as like a template to cut the circle out to make sure that before I press it, that is right. All right. So that's how I made the image, and hopefully this time it's completed because I've been trying to make this short video forever. So let's go. Meet me at my table. Okay, so in the video, did I show y'all? I think I showed y'all. If I did it, I'll make sure I show y'all where I got this from Etsy. I thought I did, but I can't remember right now. So I have a couple of them, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show. Don't look at my nails, y'all. I need to fill in so bad. This I was using those press-ons because I didn't have to deal with that. But what I'm going to do, is this right here. It has this right here. It has a thin film over it. You want to be sure not to damage. Hold on. So you want to get the film off the top. You know, like when you sublimate keychains, but I don't want to scratch it to mess it up. I hope this didn't mess it up. Okay. So you want to get that off. Excuse me. And then you want to take the alcohol. And my little wipes. Oops. It wasn't pushing up today, so I don't want to deal with it. So I just poured the alcohol out. And I'm cleaning it off. And you know we use these filters because they don't leave lint, right? So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take it. Now, this is optional. You don't have to do this. This is what I'm doing. I'm going to take it and I'm putting it on this side because I don't want the ink to get on it. And I'm taking this pen. This is a white board pen. You could use a gel pen, anything that you want. And I'm just making sure that my image around it, okay, everything is within the circle. Because there's no way you would know that. There's no way you would know that until, and then now I'm going to clean it off again, until you actually press it. And we don't want it to be messed up. Okay, we don't want to mess these up because I purchased 3. And you only have 3 of these to go with it. So if you mess up with it, you have to order some more. Okay? It's not like they gave you extras of the circles. So you mess up, you won't have enough to make the ones that you have there. So I'll cut around it. And then what I'm going to do is, there's my tape. Cricut brand tape. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on top of there the right way, just like how I did when I had it flipped over. And then I'm going to tape it down. Make sure it's as even as you think it is. Put that piece of tape over it. Have my butcher paper. And meet me over at the heat press. Okay, so my heat press is set at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. I'm going to place this part down, put it on my top of my butcher paper, and then I'm going to place my other butcher paper right on top of that. Slide it under, hold it down. While this is down, I do see this is dirty, so I'm going to get, well, dusty, not dirty. I'm going to clean it off. Right on top. Woo! It's hot. It done fell behind. Do y'all see that? Okay. Let's grab it and look at it. All right. All right. Let's see how this turned out. So here's the paper. Let's see how the image turned out. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I cut around it just because. Let's see. I'm nervous. Uh-oh. Wait a second. It don't look like it turned out right. Was this too hot? Oh, it's fine. Oh, it's fine. It was just, okay. It's fine. It was just, I don't know what that was. It's fine, it's fine. Y'all see I got the alcohol, can y'all see it? Okay. I was so confused, like why did it do that? But I don't know what that is on there, but it's perfectly fine. It literally just needed to be wiped off. Okay, I was so confused. Like, why is it doing that? So, it worked out fine. I hope y'all was able to see all of that. Yay, yay. Now, woo! I'm saying like, wait, what just happened? It worked out fine. It's really cute. It turned out cute. It worked out perfectly fine. So let's go back over to my desk. Okay, so now it's all printed out. It came out perfect. I was nervous, y'all. I didn't know what was going on. I said, why did it mess up? But it's not. I was like, hold up. And then this, you could even see is 3M. So it's some type of sticky adhesive. Oh, not in the frame. Happy I looked up. So we're going to lift that off. And then we're going to, y'all just got to excuse my nails. I'm going to lift that off. Then we're going to take the silver side back here. And place it on top of there. And it fit perfect. And press it down. You guys see that? It's so cute. My dad is a construction worker. Well, he's really like a superintendent. He's over them, but so I don't know his exact title, but he's like their manager. That turned out perfect. Okay? And it's actually real. It's a real one. All right, so that's how you make it. So I'm going to just show a little bit of tips. Because my nails was so through, I couldn't hold it up real close to y'all. This is how it looks on the actual thing. And it's only glistening because of the light. So it literally is perfect. There we go. So it's just glistening around the edges because of the light. But when I tell you this came out absolutely perfect, my dad is going to love it. It's so cute. Like, look how the camera isn't picking up how clear it is. It picked it up so good. So yeah, so now you guys got to see it up close. And I have the little settings. Sorry, oh, blurry. Okay, there we go. My camera trying to blur on me. So yeah, so now you guys can see it up close and personal. And now I can take my little pictures or whatever. Oh gosh, I love my daddy so much. All right, y'all. So that's how it look. Because I was like looking at the video like it's not any close up. So now there's the close up. Okay, that was easy. That was fun. This came out so cute. Yes. So just a couple quick tips that I want you to be aware of. Make sure that, of course, like I said, with sublimation, you mirror the image. You want to make sure that the size is a little bit larger than what you're subbing on, because you want to make sure you get it fully around the circumference of the image. You want to make sure that when you take it off, you clean it off, because just like how I thought it was messed up and it wasn't, it could be, I'm not sure if it's like the paper particles, whatever that is that's on there. So you want to make sure that you just clean it off with some alcohol before and after. You take that thin film off before you press it. You want to make sure that when you put the designs with the words and the images, you give a little bit of wiggle room so that you can make sure that it all fits there. Like this fit perfectly. So I did that really good this time. This was pretty kind of simple and easy, really cute. You could give this for Father's Day gifts, birthday presents, Christmas presents, all types of things. So this was just absolutely adorable, honey. Adorable. Yeah, so I really, really loved it. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. Please join Queen Dreamer if you have not already. We love it over there. Reach out to me if you have any questions or anything. Comment below, like, subscribe, share it. Yeah, but I think that's about it. I love y'all. Y'all know that? I think y'all know that. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much. Oh, also make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My handle is Do Dream On. It's the same thing. I'm trying to reach 10K over there. So make sure you go ahead and follow me. Once again, any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. And yes, this is the shirt that I made. So if you were wondering, this is how it looks on. And the wrinkles, someone asked about the wrinkles. They kind of like drop off a little bit. So didn't have to really worry about that. But yeah, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. And remember, go follow me on IG. Do Dream On is the name. Do Dream On is the page. Hey. Road to 10K for IG. I love y'all. Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.